Yo, what is up, guys? This is like a little miniature moto vlog. I just wanted to get out real quick because I ordered an Amazon package, and as you guys know in my last video, my camera was looking at the ground. So I bought these extender johns that help the bike, or not help the bike, that help the camera look up more. And actually, something I just kind of found out, I was like kind of pissed off. I was like, the camera is in a good portion of my view. Like, I can see a lot of the camera. And at first I was like, damn, that kind of sucks. But as I was just filming a second ago back there, I noticed I can actually see the screen. So I know what you guys are seeing. And right now, it's kind of aimed high up. I know that. It's a little high, but I figure I'd rather have it be high than not, right? So this moto vlog is not going to be very long. This isn't an actual, moto vlog. I'm just kind of putting this out. My brother, Josh, just made a video, actually. Go check out our other channel, Rocky Mountain Vloggers.
Back to another Rocky Mountain Vloggers video. I hope you enjoyed the last video of Johnny and Stone doing the...
We just made another video about his Blazer, and I thought I would come out here and hopefully see if this setup works, see where the camera angle's at. Here's a little crouch, you know what I mean? So we'll have to see what's going on with the angle, and if you guys like this angle, if it needs to be put down more, put up more, whatever, it can be done. So while I'm out here doing a little mini moto vlog, as you can see, it's almost dark, but it's only like 3 o'clock, believe it or not. It's really fucking cold. All the leaves are dead. There's no trees with leaves on them, really. The last 2 days have been such shitty wind, but the next 3 days are going to be in the 70s. So let's go, baby. And hopefully I can do an install video down there on my handlebars. A big hint, they go on my handlebars. And yeah, I just really hope that this is a solution that works, because it only cost me like $7 to do all this. But another quick update, I'm deaf. I'm deaf in my right ear. I have been for like 4 days. Don't know what's going on. I was actually going to go see an ear specialist. Shout out to Josh Libra, because he's the one that told me about this place. And he just got his ears cleaned, because he had been dealing with some ear issues for a while too. So, he told me about this place, said they were really sick, really good, and they helped him a lot. I was gonna go there and make an appointment, but it's literally closed on the weekend. Today's Friday. I always like that fucking Subaru. I think it looks really good. Okay, I don't know what the fuck this cop car's doing. I don't know what he's doing. Trying to kill me is what he's doing. But yeah, like I said, just said they're closed. They're closed on the weekends, which sucks dick. Could you imagine? I know that's not a real cop car, but could you imagine a fucking cop hitting me? Like, out of everybody else, a fucking cop is the one that does it. And it's like I said at the beginning, this isn't going to be a long moto vlog. This maybe even be, I don't know how long, because I'm going to have to edit a little bit more, but I just wanted to get out and do a little test ride before dark, and my mom's actually waiting on me. I need to go take care of the dogs. I'm in the wrong gear, but that's okay. I need to go take care of the dogs. I need to go let them out and do their business, because she's got a bill to go pay. So that sounds like a lot of fun. But the bike's warmed up a little bit, so maybe on Colfax here, I don't have my wallet or nothing, so I got to be like really, really careful about cops. Well, as I say that, there's cops sitting right the fuck there. But I was gonna do a little bit of a lean so you guys could see what it would be like. Big hole. I'll do one when I get up here a little bit. It is quite distracting though, I'm not gonna lie. Did you like that? You guys like that, the 2-finger? It is quite distracting to have a camera in my face. Nice Subaru. Hit a little downshift. Got to be careful because I know cops like to hide up here. I really hope this fixes it, man, because I was so happy about the setup. Of course, it's winter time. I get this set up in the winter time, which you know, not much I can do about that, but I'm happy I have one. And hopefully any nice day I can go. Well, there's something in the middle of the road right here. Don't want to hit it. It's somebody's hat. That's kind of cool. Kind of interesting. Now, oh, there's a Miata. Oh my fucking God. All right, now let's see. Do we see any cops? No, I don't. Here we go. Ready, guys? So that's what like a little tuck could look like. But like I said, I have to go back to the house. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I know this was a little short, but if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, please comment so I know about this camera angle, and let me know what you want to see in the future. I will see you guys in the next one. Later! Bonus clip.